Welcome to Dynamics 365 Universe. In this video we will understand element, project, model, and package in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. In this session, we'll break down these foundational concepts that every D365FO developer must know. An element is the smallest unit of development in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Elements include tables, forms, classes, enums, menu items, and other components that make up your application. These are the actual building blocks you use to create and customize functionality in the system. A project in Visual Studio is a container used to group related elements. Each project is tied to a specific model and helps developers organize their work based on features or modules. Projects improve manageability and allow focused development on specific functionalities. A model is a logical structure that groups together multiple projects and elements. It defines metadata like the model name, publisher, version, and dependencies on other models. A model belongs to exactly one package and serves as a unit for source control, development, and deployment planning. A package is the physical deployable unit in D365FO. It contains one or more models and includes compiled binaries, metadata, and supporting files such as labels. Packages are stored in the package's local directory folder and are essential for managing deployment and layering in the application architecture. To understand their relationship, think of it hierarchically. A package contains models. A model contains projects. And a project contains elements. This structure promotes modular design, scalability, and better version control in large implementations. Understanding the relationship between elements, projects, models, and packages is essential for clean and maintainable development in D365FO. Mastering these layers enables you to design scalable solutions and collaborate efficiently within your team. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about D365FNO development, subscribe to the Dynamics 365 Universe YouTube channel. We post regular videos covering topics like X++, model deployment, debugging, and more. Thank you for watching.